Hello everybody, it's Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to save you time and money. And today is how to remove the dispenser drawer on a Russell Hobbs washing machine. Over time the dispenser drawer will get full of gunk and gunge and mould, and you don't want that going down and getting in your clothes when you do a wash. Before we get started, there's a link above now about how to install a new washing machine. Right, let's get cracking. Now what you're going to need today is you're going to need your wife's toothbrush.
Lurgs, have you been using my toothbrush for cleaning the washing machine again?
No. And you're also going to need a hot soapy wet cloth. Okay, this is the Russell Hobbs washing machine here, RH1042. And the dispenser / detergent drawer is on the top left hand corner. What you do is you just gently pull it out until it reaches a point where it won't go any further. Then just push down on this blue button here, and then that releases the detergent drawer. What you can do is you can remove the fabric softener level indicator. This gives you better access to give it a really good clean. And there's a link above now about various how-to guides on all sorts of makes and models of washing machines. Now with some hot soapy water and your wife's toothbrush, just give this detergent drawer a really good scrub inside and out. You're just basically getting off all the mould, any gunk and gunge, just making sure that it's in tip-top condition and sparkly clean. Now before we put this back into the washing machine, it's definitely worth cleaning the inside here because this will get mouldy and gunky. So again, take a hot soapy wet cloth and just give this a really good clean inside. You can use the toothbrush again in here, just be careful not to drop it because if it goes down inside the hole, it can damage the washing machine. Then put the detergent drawer back in, just slide it into the grooves and slot it all the way home. And then it's definitely worth checking the inside of the washing machine, the drum. So open the door. The first thing I'm going to check is that the drum spins freely. This one's really good, nice and quiet. And then you're checking the rubbers. This can get a lot of dirt and gunk and gunge in here. This one's actually in pretty good condition. If it's really filthy, again, take your hot soapy wet cloth and just give that a really good clean. And you can also use your wife's toothbrush if it's really dirty. Now the most important thing at the end is once you've finished, then put it on the hottest wash that it will go on with no clothes, just to flush out the whole system. And there's a link above now about what to do if your washing machine is not draining water. And then don't forget to put your wife's toothbrush back and hope she doesn't notice. And then it's time for a brew. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here so you don't miss more videos on how to save you time and money. If there's any other useful videos around here, then please select those now. Thank you for visiting my channel everyone, I really appreciate it.